Diwa ng kapatiran. Ipagbabaw ang mensahe sa pagigugma sa tanang dapit. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Kasagayaan, kasimanwa, kaisunan.
Speak more!
Live more. Shh.
Annyeonghaseyo, Bonjour. Hola sounds unusual, something really different. Oh, take it easy. It just means what we used to say. They are simple words in different tongues. Just like kumusta, kumusta, kumusta. How are you?
See, welcome to the magic of words and expressions. Give yourself a treat of tongue delights and open your mind to a brand new door. The door of the world is yours to open. Have you tried perceiving the world into something uniquely different? Something musical? That all the colors will just simply fade, and those colorful words just makes it supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Let's say it once more. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Though the sound of it is quite atrocious, if you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Give it one more try. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Konnichiwa. Hi. Hello. 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 It's just one of the many words to use to express your greetings. Imagine counting the number of countries around the globe and learning one word in every language. Oh, that's just so fantastic. It makes you and I travel the world in the comfort of our homes and schools. And how do experts call it? Multilingualism. Yes, multi-language, different languages.
And surprisingly, it's more than just having multiple languages. While we enjoy the serenity ride of multilingual communication, we slowly break the barriers that keep us far from one another. Worldwide, we too build the blocks of cultural acceptance and appreciation. Aren't we fascinated by how people understand each other in any part of the world, even as strangers to one another? Now, this is communication that paves the way to brotherhood in its real sense.
Speak more,
Live more. Japan, ti amo, I love you. Watashi wa anato, aishimasu, isibigis, iniibig kita, buhayin. Paano man sabihin, ang mundo'y turuan natin. Higumatika, saranghe. These are the sweetest words that makes the world wonderful. Let our language be the bridge of common understanding that our country needs today. And the goal is loud, loud, loud. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Time is of the essence. Be the change. We are the change. Be the agent. Let's do it. Shh. Be the language. All together as one. Shh. Interact with the people. Give collaboration a chance. Reach out to your words. Feel one spirit in one word. Preserve the language of peace. Share the expressions of love. It heals our broken land. Meditate the language of silence. Shh. Let wisdom consume your soul. We differ by the language we speak, but we can intertwine as one. We must desire to achieve progress and attain the elusive peace, and be able to make together as a people in one nation. Together, we can celebrate the diverse language of our land under the ambience of peace.
speak, speak more. Live, live more. Speak more, live more. Speak more, live more. This is a trust and never-ending task of bringing the world into one essence. We will share the same force that will take us to where Dear